Casper Canoe, the S15 and a half. Maintained by McGuire's. Not good angle is coming into that bank. Good transition, a good angle coming into the chicane. So far, again, this is Casper coming to the back horseshoe. Casper Canoe going by the G4 cameras. Again, this is a practice lap. And right at that yellow line, that's when his judge run ends. So now he comes back, he gets to cool down his engine. And now his judging lap begins right when he hits that bank. The judges are watching from this point on. This is a full judge run by Ed Lowe, Richard Tang, Ken Takahashi, Tarzan, and Kamamoto. Good transition off the bank. Good angle. Casper Canoe on his head. What do you think of Casper? That's a solid run. Coming to us from SoCal. Viva la raza, Casper Canoe. Boom, that's the end of his judge run. Now he has one more lap. What do you think of Casper? Give it up for Casper. He's got good speed going. 65, 70. Good angle, staying in the middle of the bank. Coming in transition. Boom. Good transition. Clean. Good angle. Set it, making it look good. Here comes the back horseshoe. Casper on his game. Canoe in the Monster S15.5. Judges are tabulating their scores. Ken, what do you think? What do you think of this?